why your EQ sounds trash, and how to fix it. Let's go. Yo, let me ask you something right quick. You ever mix a track and think, why does this mix sound so muddy? Or like, man, this mix ain't hitting like it should. Got it. This mix ain't hitting like it should. This mix ain't hitting like it should. Look, trust me, I've been there too. Most of the time, the problem ain't your beat or your vocals. It's your EQ. And sure, guess what? EQ. And trust me, fixing that can take your mix to whatever, to red heat, just like this jacket. You dig? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually use EQ to clean up your sound and make everything pop. Let's go. And we're keeping this real simple. No tech talk, no confusion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use EQ to make your mixes stand out. So what is EQ? Why is EQ so important? All right, EQ, short for equalizer, is like your mix's vacuum cleaner. It cleans up the mess in your audio. Got too much bass, making your track sound muddy. EQ fixes that. Got harsh vocals, stabbing your ears? Guess what? EQ also smooths that out. Think of it like this. If your mix is a messy room, EQ is how you organize it so everything is in its place. Hold on. Now, hold on. You don't want to skip this step, because if your EQ is trash, then the mix is trash. How do you use EQ? What's the basics? Let me break it down. This is how I use EQ to clean up the vocals. It's called subtractive EQ. First, I open my plugin. Right here, you got all these little bands. These are like tools for different parts of the sound. You got the lows, the mids, and highs. Step 1, cut the mud. Cut all that mud out. We don't want that. Now grab the low end and roll off everything below 100 hertz. Most of the time, you don't need that low end rumble and vocals. Listen as I cut it. Hear how it cleans up the sound? Step 2, you gotta tame the harshness. I find those frequencies around 2 to 4 kilohertz that are stabbing your ears, and just pull them down just a little bit. Now, step 3, you gotta boost the sparkle. After cleaning up, I boost a little high end around 8 to 12 kilohertz to add some shine. Not too much though, just enough to give the vocal some air.
Made 3, turn 9 and 18 from the mud, baby. Pippin' sauce, pippin' shit. Houston bagging pippin' shit. Like zero, respect my mind. Fully loaded, extended clip. Ha ha. Fresher than a cooler kit, too legit. 40, no safety. Shine, no HD. Pockets, flip mode. BK to AZ. Back to Cali for the re. Up 1, made 3, turn 9 and 18 from the mud, baby. Pippin' sauce, pippin' shit. Houston bagging pippin' shit. Like zero, respect my mind. Fully loaded, extended clip. Ha ha, fresher than a cooler kit, too legit. 40, no safety, shine, no HD. Pockets, flip mode, BK to AZ. Back to Cali for the re. Up 1, made 3, turn 9 and 18 from the mud, baby. Pippin' sauce, pippin' shit. Like zero, respect my mind. Fully loaded, extended clip. Ha ha, fresher than a cooler kit, too legit. 40, no safety, shine, no HD. Pockets, flip mode.
Why this benefits you. So why does this matter for you? It's simple. Your mix will sound clearer, louder, and more professional. Whether you're mixing for yourself or for your clients, this one step can make people stop and say, yo, that's dope. I gotta work with you. Book me a session right now. No more muddy tracks, no more piercing highs, just clean, balanced sound. And when your mixes sound this good, you stand out, for real. So there you go. That's how you fix your EQ and take your mixes to the next level. So start using these steps today, and I promise you'll hit a difference. If you learned something or if this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips. Oh, and if you got questions about EQ, ask me in the comments. I got you. That's what I do. All right, catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Houston bagging pippin' shit. Like zero, respect my mind. Fully loaded, extended clip. Ha ha, fresher than a cooler kit, too legit. 40, no safety, shine, no no HD, pockets hitting flip mode, BK to A. One, made 3, turn 9 to 18 from the mud, baby.
Pippin' sauce, pippin' shit.
Houston bag and pippin' shit. Like zero respect, my mind fully loaded, stick the clip. Ha ha, fresher than a cooler kid, too legit, blah blah. When they talking rookie, they new to this. Get the bricks, make it stack, fatter than respect you get. Lot of killers had to rock, ain't know what to do with it.